Hey y'all! Today I'm going to teach you how to make the ultimate beef stock. This rich and flavorful stock will elevate all your dishes, so let's dive right in. First things first, preheat that oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, grab yourself 4 to 5 pounds of meaty beef bones. Make sure to get those with lots of marrow and even a couple of veal bones if you can. Trust me, the gelatin from those veal bones makes all the difference. Next, take a pound of stew meat or beef scraps and cut them into 2-inch chunks. Rub a little olive oil over those pieces along with some quartered onions and large carrot segments. Now toss everything onto a large roasting pan. Pop that pan into the oven and roast for about 45 minutes. Remember to turn those bones and meat halfway through. We want them browned and delicious, not burnt. Once they're nicely browned, transfer everything into a large stock pot. Now place your roasting pan on low heat. Pour in about 1/2 cup of hot water and use a metal spatula to scrape up all those yummy browned bits. Pour this goodness into your stock pot. Next, add a handful of celery tops, a couple of unpeeled garlic cloves, fresh parsley, 1 or 2 bay leaves, and about 10 peppercorns into the pot. Fill it up with cold water, about 1 to 2 inches over the top of the bones. Bring it to a low simmer on high heat, then reduce to low. You're aiming for a bare simmer, just a bubble or two here and there. Cover the pot loosely and let it simmer low and slow for 3 to 6 hours. Remember, do not stir. We want a clear stock, not a cloudy one. As it simmers, scoop away any fat or scum that rises to the top. Pro tip: don't put that fat down the drain, it'll clog your pipes. Save it for cooking or discard it in a bowl. After at least 3 hours, use a slotted spoon to remove the bones, meat, and veggies from the pot. If you see a chunk of marrow, give it a taste. It's absolutely delicious. Now, line another large pot with a fine mesh sieve, and if you have it, a couple layers of cheesecloth. Pour the stock through to strain out any remaining solids. Let the stock cool to room temperature, then chill it in the fridge. Once chilled, any remaining fat will solidify at the top. If you're freezing the stock, remove this fat. Pour the stock into jars, leaving an inch of space at the top. This prevents the container from breaking when the stock expands. And there you have it, the ultimate beef stock. Use it in soups, stews, or sauces, and watch your dishes come to life. Love the recipe? Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. For the full recipe and backstory, check out the description below. Thanks for watching, y'all.